Alright, so for today we're going to be doing an acrylic pour. The colors that I'm using for that today are black, red, orange, an orangey yellow, and yellow. So first I'm going to need cups for each of those colors. And I will be starting with the black. While doing this, I am using acrylic paints. Alright, and now you just get an empty cup. And now we're going to pour in our colors. We're going to pour in the majority of all of our colors, but not completely. We're going to start with black. Now these paints are a lot thinner than they normally are when I use them. So I'm interested to see how the pour happens. Because yeah, I normally mix these a little thicker. But I really want them to run. So I'm hoping this will work. Now the red. And now this bright orange. And this lighter, more yellowy orange. And the yellow. Okay, and of course now you can see that my cup is pretty full, but with this size cup, it's about full to right here, just so that can help y'all. Now I just gently move this over to the side until I'm ready for it. Alright, and I am using a previously painted canvas. I just don't particularly like this. It was more of just like a test run. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my black and pour it out here onto the middle just to help get those paints flowing. I'm just going to kind of spread it out with my popsicle stick. And this just kind of helps give the paint that I'm going to pour like a surface to kind of come down. And you can see it's kind of wobbling because this container is a little too small, but I'm just going to have to make it work. Alright, and now I'm just going to pick up my cup and slowly pour it in the sensor. Alright, and boom, we're done. that's another DIY done.